In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment account for Google Adsense. This process is essential if you're looking to start earning money through website monetization with Adsense, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you get everything set up correctly. Our first step is heading over to the Google Adsense website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official Google Adsense page. This is where it all begins. And if you're not familiar with the site, take a moment to explore the homepage where Google outlines how AdSense works and how it can benefit you. Once you're on the AdSense homepage, you'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed. Give that button a click to access your AdSense account. If you haven't yet signed up for an account, you'll need to do so before proceeding. For existing users, simply enter your login credentials and move on to the AdSense home dashboard. After signing in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your AdSense account. This is a versatile space where all your account information, performance metrics, and settings are centrally located. From the home dashboard, look for any notifications or prompts that may require your attention, particularly if you're setting things up for the first time. Next, focus your attention on the verification check within the dashboard, which is a crucial step for setting up your payment account. The verification process ensures that your personal and payment information is accurate and secure, which is vital for receiving payments from Google. Click on this option to proceed. You'll then be directed to a page prompting you to verify your identity. This step is particularly important because Google needs to confirm your identity to comply with financial regulations and ensure payments are made to the correct person. When prompted, provide the necessary documents and information such as a government-issued ID to complete the verification. Ensure that the documents are clear and up to date to avoid any delays. Once you've submitted your identity verification, Google will review your information. This process can take some time, so be sure to check your email or AdSense dashboard for any updates or further instructions from Google. During this waiting period, you can explore other features in the AdSense dashboard, familiarize yourself with the tools available, and possibly learn more about optimizing your ad placements and settings. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to monetizing your content through Google AdSense. Remember to monitor your email for any communications from Google and follow up promptly to avoid any disruptions in setting up your payment account. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your AdSense payment account up and running smoothly.